Since a few years, we offer companies and educational institutions with our COBOT learning station a possibility to bring robotics closer to their employees and students. Especially now, when the topic of robotics and AI in combination with robotics is becoming more and more important, the learning station offers a good introduction. Just recently, a modified learning station was built for a university. With 2 lightweight robots, conveyor belts and various structures, the disassembly process of completely inhomogeneous components is to be researched and developed at this station. After a visual pre-capture, the camera and AI-supported disassembly of the components into their individual parts is carried out by 1 or even 2 cooperating robots. The individual parts are then sorted into the appropriate containers according to their size, shape and color, and made available for further handling in the recycling process. You want to test the COBOT learning station or need a version modified for you? Contact us. GLAUB. We ensure manufacturing sites.